Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I also hope you guys are safe. I know with everything going on in the world, it's super chaotic, you know, super messy, just super like today is going to be a little bit different. Usually I give you guys voiceovers and tutorials and yada yada yada, but I'm actually going to be giving you a review today. So what I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is these three bad boys right here. These three bad boys right here. What this is the Marc Jacobs enamored lip lacquers. I had two in the high shine gloss and one in the dazzling gloss. I stumbled upon these lip glosses when I was in Sephora one day with my friend. We was actually supposed to be getting, I think, some Fenty lip glosses when she had dropped the clear and some other shade I forgot. And then we went to the Marc Jacobs counter and like, I just love his stuff. But these lip glosses, they retail for $28, okay? $28. You know, I'm all about splurging on makeup. I'm all about spending them coins on some makeup, but $28 for some lip gloss. Luckily, I was on Neiman Marcus just, I don't know, just on some trying to window shop type shit. And then I seen that they were having a sale, and I seen that these lip glosses actually now at Neiman Marcus are $14. They're $14, you guys. Oh no, they're like close to 15, but you get the gist. So they like $15. And I was just like, put it in the cart, put it in the bag. So they come in this box, as I showed before, this nice little sleek black and white, you know, box or whatever. And then they actually come in this packaging. Let me get this right, Aisha. Let me get this right. So this is the first shade in the high shine gloss, and this color is Cherry Moon. It's like a nice pinky shade. And then this is the dazzling gloss, and this is called Electric Lights. I think this is gonna be really pretty. Really pretty. And then I have this like pinky nude shade. I'm all about my pinks, obviously. This shade is called Sugar High. You guys can see, really pretty. I'm so excited to try this one out. And it's Cherry Moon. So originally when I was at the Marc Jacobs counter, I wanted the two shades Pink Parade and I want to say Cream and Sugar, but they were sold out. So I'm like, ugh, I hope I do not have to pay full price for those. I hope, you know, they just magically appear in Neiman Marcus or any other retailer on sale, because as soon as they do, dropping it in the bag, okay? So I'm about to start applying this. I was gonna swatch it on my hand, but I'm like, you know, you can already see the swatches, I think, on Neiman Marcus or any other site that sells these, so just go look at those. My hands are a little hairy, so I don't know how that's gonna look or whatever, so let me just put it on my lips. So when I take it out the bottle, it looks very thick. Hopefully, my only thing with these, hopefully they don't really streak like that. These look very pigmented, so let's try it out. Oh yeah, these are really pigmented. I'm definitely testing this one out just to see if I need a lip liner. It don't really seem like I need a lip liner. This is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's streaking a little bit. I don't know why. A lot of pigmented lip glosses always they always streak on me. I don't know if it's because my lips are a little bit darker, well, especially my top lip than my bottom, so. But it's a nice color though. It's a nice little spring color. Something cute for the girls to play in the summertime. Compliments the braids or whatever. It's really cute, really cute. And they're pretty comfortable on the lips too. They smell like mint, and they kind of feel like that peppermint tingling sensation, like a what is it called, like a lip plumper. So I think that's what the vibe is. I don't know if I need a a lip pencil with this, and I'm still trying to decide if I do. But make sure y'all get them in the corners, y'all. Make sure y'all get them in the corners. Yep, this is the first shade, you guys, in Sugar High. It's definitely giving me Barbie vibes, you know. So the next shade I'm gonna be using is the Electric Lights, which is this like dazzling shade. It's like this champagne glittery type of vibe to it. It has like gold flakes in it. So we'll see how it looks when I put it on my lips. Do y'all see that? Or am I tripping? Oh my goodness. This is that. You guys, I am loving every bit of this. Like, actually on the lips, it comes off not really gold, like it has like a brown base to it, but the specks of glitter is like pink too. Like it has a lot of gold, like a little bit of gold in it, but mainly the specks are like pink. That's really weird. I really like this shade. It's definitely not streaking on me, maybe because it's a little sheer. Damn, this might be my favorite. This might be my favorite, you guys, like for real. This is like very universal too, especially for brown girls, brown black girls or whatever. And another thing about this Electric Lights shade, it's not gritty. Like as glittery as it is, as shiny as it is, you would think that it's super gritty, and it's not. It's super comfortable. Like I said, this might be my favorite out of the three. I like shimmery glosses. I like a glossy gloss. I usually don't really wear pigmented glosses like that. Like I said, they streak on me like crazy. So yeah, we're gonna see how the third one looking like. What my best bet is on this one, okay? Yeah, I'm really impressed with this. This is a very beautiful shade. On to the next. So this is the last shade, and what is this called? Cherry Moon. It's like this hot pink type of shade. Pretty excited about this one too. Hopefully it doesn't streak. I hate when like lip glosses streak on me. Like if you just see and it's just, I hate it. I definitely should have put the glitter shade on last, but it's okay. This is really cute too. This reminds me of Candy Yum Yum by MAC, an OG. I'm gonna put this on little by little because I really don't want this to streak on me. And I want this to lay very smoothly on my lips. Certain lip glosses, you guys, you can't pack on like that because it just doesn't look good, you know. Ooh. Okay, so I might have to put a lip liner with this on if I go out, but I'm just gonna leave it to its true colors just to show everybody how it really looks. Really pretty though. I would definitely say the Dazzling Gloss is my favorite. I think this might be my least favorite because I don't know, like I don't know. It's really cute, but maybe it's just me. You guys let me know. You guys let me know if I'm just tripping. I wish I had the descriptions of these, but it's okay, you guys. It's okay. Y'all get the gist. Y'all get the gist. Okay, so yeah, this is the last color. It's cute, but I feel like I gotta get used to it. I thought it would be a little bit more sheer than this. I don't know why, because the first shade is definitely pigmented, but this is like really pigmented. But I just don't know if this shade of pink is for me. It's a little bit too purplish, like a purple pink, like, and usually those type of pinks don't look good on me. I don't know, maybe I'm just tripping. Y'all gotta let me know if I'm just being crazy or whatever, if I'm just, you know, talking at the side of my neck. But yeah, this is the last shade or whatever. So I would rate these probably an 8. They're very comfortable on the lips. Only thing I don't like is the streaking. Like, this is definitely streaking on me a little bit. I have to put this on little by little. I like to lay my lip gloss on thick. You feel me? So that's not only a con, but I really, I think they pretty decent. I will say I don't think that I would pay $28 for them. Like, as lovely as they are, I just can't see myself paying no more than $20 for a lipstick. I mean, a lipstick and a lip gloss, you know. So yeah, let me know how y'all feel about this. I guess I'm gonna, you know, sit on the couch and see how this wears. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like I said, have a very safe and blessed day. Yeah, you guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you want to see more content, and see you guys later. Bye bye.